birthday, Tita Jess. I love you. I'm a birthday to you. I'm a birthday to you. I'm a birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Jess. Happiest birthday, Ate Jess. Wala na akong masasabi kundi salamat sa lahat ng mga biyayang binibigay mo sa amin, especially kay Ian. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay as sweet as you are. God bless you, Ate Jess. Happy birthday. Thank you. Mwah.
An amazing woman is birthday today. Happiest birthday, Ate Jess. Here's to another year of love, laughter, and adventure. So may all the blessing of the Lord be with you always. Thank you for the love. I love you so much, Ate. Happiest birthday.
Happy birthday, Te. More blessings to come. God bless.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday to you. Simpleng wishes lang para sa iyo. Healthy, strong, and happy together with your family. And i-bless ka pa ni God. Lalo-lalo na yung pinaka-wishes mo. Sana, pagbutihin mo pa yung mga ginagawa mo sa amin, lalo na sa mga angels mo, sa aming mga kaibigan mo. Alam mo kasi, Te, sobrang solid mo kasing kasama eh. Alam mo yun, sobrang tropa, ate, boss, lahat na sa'yo na. Sobrang, asing napaka-down to earth mo. Wala talaga ako masabi. Sobrang, alam mo yung ina-idolize kita eh. Sobrang idol kita. So, ayun lang. Salamat palagi, Ate. And, sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa amin, lalo na sa pag-help namin sa iyo, ay pag-help mo kay Kim, and enjoy your day lang, Ate, and I love you, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, mag-birthday ka hanggat gusto mo, King Ines. Ayun lang, Ate, I love you so much, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Kim, and ingat ka palagi, love you.
Hi, Ate Jess, it's me, Ika, para di mo forget. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you for always including mo sa lahat ng lakad nyo. Thank you for genuine friendship na meron tayo. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. I can't put in words, but my heart felt happy since we become friends. Again, happy birthday and more birthday and blessing to come. Salamat at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Jess. Cheers to another year. Happy birthday po, Ate Jess. Enjoy a special day, and you all deserve happiness and blessings. Happy birthday, Ate Jess. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess. Thank you kasi isa ka sa the best ate na nakilala ko. Hindi lang ate, syempre kaibigan ko na din. Thank you din kasi nandyan ka lagi sa amin. Hindi man namin kayang tumbasan lahat, pero kaya naman namin ipakita at iparamdam sa'yo kung gaano kami kaswerte na ikaw ang naging ate namin. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit. More blessings to come dahil deserve mo yan. Love you.
Hi, Te. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come pa po. Enjoy your day po.
Hi, Ate Jess, my boss. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po palagi and enjoy ka po sa birthday mo po ngayon. And sana hindi ka po magbago. Galingan mo pa po sa color game.
Happy birthday po, Ate Jess. Salamat po sa pagtanggap sa akin sa trabaho. Sana po marami po kayong matulungan. Ingat ka po palagi.
Happy birthday sa boss Madam Kung Sexy. More blessings to come, Mama Chup Chup.
Birthday, Ate Jess. Ingat ka palagi. More birthday to come. Thank you sa lahat, Mama Chup Chup.
Binabati ko nga pala ang aking amo na happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Sana po marami ka pang matulungan, hindi lang po kami TPS boys and TPS girls. Sana po umunlad ang company natin. Sipag lang, magtulungan lang tayo guys. Cheer up!
Happy birthday, Te! Salamat sa lahat. Thank you!
Ayun, shoutout nga pala sa boss namin na ubod ng bait. Ayun, happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica Ann Clavines. More birthday to come and more power sa company ng TPS. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung trabaho natin na maganda. Yun lang po. Happy birthday!
Happy Jess, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat-lahat at ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi Ate Jess, happy birthday and more blessings sa'yo. Sana hindi ka magbago at salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa lahat ng empleyado. God bless.
Happy birthday, Te. Wishing you all the best and success in life.
You Happy birthday to my beautiful pamangkin Jessica. I wish you good health, and siguro ang greatest gift na mabibigay ni God sa'yo ay baby boy. Sana matupad na yun. Again, I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Jess. Go! Hi, Tita Jess. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. I hope you guys do so bad.
That's it? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, what about Ate Tam?
Oh my god.
Hi, Ate Tam and Baby Taya.
Hi, Ate Tam, Baby Taya.
That's it, Ate?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Ate Jess. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Jess.
Wish you all the best and take care always. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Yun, quick video lang. I just wanna greet my beautiful sister happy birthday. Take her always, and yun, huwag papabayaan ang sarili mo. Wish you all the best, and alam ko naman masaya ka dyan, pero mas masaya kami rito. Yun lang, happy birthday kapatid. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Tita Jess. We love you.
Gusto ko nga pala batiin ang aking kapatid na si Jessica ng happy birthday. Wish ko lang ay ayun, good health and more success sa business, and lagi mong tandaan, I love you. Okay? Pautang.
Happy birthday, Tita Jess.
What else?
What did you say? What did you wish to Tita Jess?
Don't touch my flower. Don't touch it.
Take care. Always take care. Tita Jess.
Oh, look at me. Look at me.
Always take care.
Carson, look at me. Look at Mama.
Always take care, Tita Jess. Your job, and where you go traveling or travel, you must be take care of yourself. Okay? Happy birthday, Tita Jess.
Make it loud. Make it loud. Make it loud. While you're in our house, you're very loud. Okay, thank you. Look at my flowers.
Yeah.
It's nice. The red one, it's not. Hi. Happy birthday, baby Jeka ni Mami. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. I hope masaya ka sa birthday mo. And huwag may stress sa trabaho, anak, sa mga tao. Ganun talaga. And ingatan mo lang lagi yung sarili mo. Taking care of yourself, ha? Mami loves you so much. I miss you so much. Good health lang, anak, ha? And sa mga angels dyan, thank you, my little sister. Yung dalawang secretary, Joy and Giselle, thank you. Yung mga inaasahan ko dyan, Ian, Eman, Ryan, salamat. Salamat sa inyo. Tulungan nyo si Ma'am Jeka, ha? Huwag mong pakonsumi. Sa iyo, Alan, thank you. Kim, Nick, EJ, Jeter. Is it Jeter? Jeter. And dito, nasa work si Mami. Kumari, nag-video. Sige na, ingat. Thank you, Daddy Nathan, Baby Tam, Baby Teya, sa inyong lahat dyan. Salamat po sa tulong kay Ma'am Jeka. Huwag mo pa-stress yan si Ma'am Jeka nyo, ha? Tulong-tulong kayo dyan, ha? Love each other and help each other, okay? Dito ako sa school. School lang. Sige na po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami! So, anong gusto niyo sabihin sa Mami niyo ngayong birthday niya?
Wish ko na lagi siyang manalo sa college.
Pang malakasan na ikaw. Sa buhay mo. Sige, Gusto mo sabihin?
What?
Sabi mo naman. So,
Pag tumae.
Hindi, syempre, mahal na mahal ka namin, Mami. We wish na maging lagi kang malakas. Syempre, lagi kang mag-iingat sa pang-araw-araw mo na buhay. At nandito lang kami, lagi naghihintay sa'yo. No? Thank you sa mga effort mo para sa family natin. Alam mo na yun, no? Hindi na ako magiging madrama. Wish na maging strong ka. At yun, basta mahal na mahal ka namin, no? Sana maging masaya ka sa karawan mo. Kaya po ba yung dalawa?
Meron pa.
Ano? Sige.
Forever we'll be together.
Yeah! Ay, may naman. Alak, di naman yung alak mo. So, okay, no? So, more color games to come para sa'yo, no? Lagi mag-triple yan. Times 60 o ano, jackpot.
Tuwing gabi.
We love you. We always love you, Mami. Once again, happy birthday, Mami!
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best po.
What birthdays to come?
Tang-ingay.